Sugar, how you doing? We're gonna cook today, okay? Today we're going to make buffalo chicken salad. Not with lettuce, but chicken salad that you can actually put on a sandwich, okay? So last night I made ranch chicken breasts in the oven. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shred those, I'm gonna make some sauce, put some other stuff in there, and then we're gonna eat it with, well, some of my family likes bread and some of them like crackers, so we got both. So it's a fend for yourself night. It's in there if you want it, get it. Y'all like my wig? Okay then, we're gonna get started and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. The first thing we're gonna do is make the buffalo sauce. It's really, really easy. I got my stuff out here, but I'm misplacing stuff because I keep moving stuff around. Okay, first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna get some butter. You'll probably use, depending upon how much you're making, you'll probably use maybe like a half a stick. Now I'm gonna tell y'all, I haven't posted any cooking videos. This is my first one, but I don't measure. I don't measure at all. I let the ancestors talk to me and tell me when it's enough. So, I say maybe around a half a stick to a 3/4 of a stick of butter. That's what you're gonna start with for your sauce. So this is probably about 3/4 stick. I'll put that in there, and then we're gonna get a little bit of Red Hot. Yes, we got a big bottle because we put that on everything. I'm gonna turn this down so it's bubbling too much. So y'all can see. I was gonna turn y'all around, but let's see. See, it's just butter. The butter's melting down, okay? So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take about I'm gonna say maybe 3/4 to a cup of hot sauce. Okay. Okay. We're gonna put it right on in the pot. I like to get all the drops. Okay. So there you go. And then we're gonna stir that around a little bit. This is not gonna take long at all because this is just the buffalo sauce, okay? And what I like to add to mine to give it a little bit of zing, I like to add about, I don't know how much it would be, maybe like a tablespoon of white vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar if you want to. It just gives it a extra zing, if you will. But it's already vinegar in there, so if you don't like too much of it, just use white vinegar or maybe even red wine vinegar or something like that, so it doesn't give it all that zing. And then I put about, I don't know, maybe a quarter to a half teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Okay. I know you heard that, but there you go. You can see it's over there. Okay. And we're just gonna let that simmer up. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic powder, so probably quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, and a little bit of black pepper to taste. Okay. And we're just gonna stir that around. And then basically you're gonna taste it and then let it sit. And that's it for the sauce. And guess what, y'all? This right here, you can actually take this and you can add some more heat to it. You can put some cayenne in there. And toss wings in it. And that's hot wing sauce, girl. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to put that on very, very low just to simmer because it's done. That's it. It's done. And then I've got the chicken that I had. I got to clean up, y'all. But it was some breast that we had last night. And it has a little bit of breading on it. But it's not even going to matter. Once you get it separated and in there, it'll just give it, it's not even going to have any texture to it. That those little breadcrumbs are going to absorb the moisture. And you're not even going to know what's in there. But if you ever make ranch chicken and it doesn't have the bread on it, you can do it the same way. Either way, you can get a rotisserie chicken, whatever. It don't even matter. But since I did ranch chicken, I thought that it would be very flavorful to use buffalo. Some buffalo chicken salad. Okay, so here's the chicken. Alright. And I'm going to snap my fingers. And we're going to have shredded chicken. Okay. So now, the chicken is shredded. And I took the sauce off the eye so that it would cool down a little bit. So now what we're going to do is we're going to season the chicken. So I had a little bit of the ranch pack left over. And this is what I use, just the regular Hidden Valley. And we're going to put the rest of that in there. We're going to add a little bit more garlic. And if you hear something in the background, that's my son. He's eating cereal. Alright, we're going to add some onion powder. That's more onion powder. And then, excuse you. He's got his headphones on, so he's being rude. He's got that burping and going on. But anyway, and some celery seed. If you actually have celery, you can use that as well. I don't particularly like celery unless it's shredded fine. I didn't have any in the house, so celery seed is just fine. It'll still give it that flavor. And then you're gonna add a little bit of salt, just a little bit, and a little bit more black pepper. This is coarse ground, so it's kind of big. And if you can see that it's already seasoning in there. That's from the ranch from last night. From where I cooked it in the oven. Okay, so it's cooled down a little bit, and I'm just gonna pour this over, just like that. We gotta get every bit. Alright, and then we're going to mix it up. Try to get everything coated before you put the mayonnaise in there. And if you don't want to use mayonnaise, you can use Greek yogurt. Yes, there's some big pieces in there. They'll get shredded before it's all over because we're going to manipulate this a whole lot. And I actually like to eventually dig my hands in there and get some of the bigger, chunkier pieces out so it's more like chicken salad. Remember I told you the bread that was on there? You can't even hardly tell it's on there. It's getting mixed in like it's a seasoning. So it makes it thicker, as you can see. But it's actually going to add flavor. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to add some mayonnaise. I got a brand new jar, so it's probably, I start off with about, for this much chicken, probably about half a cup or so, and then I add it as I need to, because if you add too much mayonnaise, it ain't good. I'm recording.
Oh, okay.
See if kids will walk around with their ears open instead of plugged up all the time, they would know what's going on in their surroundings, don't you think? Didn't hear nothing. Oh, you just gonna burp? Okay, then thank you. And y'all, I think that's pretty good. And you can add whatever you want to. If you want to shred some onion, you can put some onion in there. Actually, this is the fork that I use to shred the chicken with. So we're gonna taste it. See what it tastes like. That's pretty good. A little bit of spice to it. And if you want it to be spicier, you can add. Sorry the video cut out, but here's the end result. I hope you try it, and I hope you like it. Talk to you later. Love you, sugar. Bye.